Hello everybody, this is the Okinawa sweet potato shoot planting video that I'm doing here. So I just wanted to show you all the way around. Here is going to be 12 holes, and then I'm going to add another 3 holes in the center here and one on the outside that I didn't finish. So let's go ahead and show you that. So I'm just digging down with a shovel approximately 4 to 6 inches deep, and that's what that will look like once it's done. And then I have 3 more holes that I need to do in between what is already growing here, which is my sweet potato that I showed you guys earlier. So I'm gonna grow in between those areas. So it has a nice look to it, and then when those other sweet potatoes decide to shoot up, then it will all fill in perfectly and we'll have a nice food source. So I wanted to explain what the plan is for this. I want to do a rotation system for these Okinawa sweet potatoes and the sweet potatoes that I have in here. So it's a vining plant. I want to use these vines, not the actual sweet potatoes, to feed my chickens and to feed my fish. So it's a natural food source. It's got a lot of protein in it, and my idea is to basically cut off some of the sweet potato shoot per day, and then rotate to the next one. And so I have 15 live plants right now, so that could give me 15 days of feeding for the rotation. So one day cut off some of the Okinawa sweet potato shoot, give it to the fish and the chickens, and then the next day cut off a different plant, and then go all the way around the rotation. And by the time I get back to the first one, then there should be new growth and it should be ready to harvest again. So that's the idea of this beautiful system. So let's go ahead and see these beautiful plants. We're gonna take these, and I'm just gonna put the bottle here, easily accessible, and I'm gonna take out these nice beautiful roots to show you. This is a fantastic prime example of a really nice starter plant with a lot of beautiful roots. So we're gonna dip those roots right down into where we're gonna plant this. We're gonna have this facing outward so that this can cascade over the side, and then we're gonna fill in the dirt that we took out, and then we're going to use all 3 of these, place them around, fill them with the soil. So there's 2 being planted. Now here's my 3rd one out of the bottle. So I'm not going to show you all 15 of these being planted. I just want to show you what's happening with these 3 and how beautiful this is going to look. And there you have it. So there's the 3 vines that I have set up right now, and then I'm gonna just take this water here and I'm going to go ahead and water with the same water that we have going on in here. So put some water for that one, put some water for this one, and this one. And there's already moisture in this bed because I've been working on it. And there was some potatoes that didn't actually work out, but that's okay because it's going to raise the acidity of the soil, which is what these plants are gonna like, and they should take off in this gardening bed. So we'll take a little larger look of that. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna be able to have a large food source that's gonna continue to grow fast. These actual potato shoots only took less than a week to actually get some rooting system on it. So I'm really happy with what's happened with these sweet potato shoots, and I'm going to continue to keep you guys posted on how it looks after it's grown out for a little while, and stay tuned for those videos. So subscribe, like, and share these videos with your friends if you like them.